Hello, good morning once again. Andito na naman tayo para sa panibagong kaalaman. At sa mga panahong ito, i-discuss natin ang equation of a circle. Okay, as you can see, there's a circle on the graph whose center is at the origin and there's a point on the plane. For a circle with center at the origin and the endpoint of the radius r is any point on the plane, if and only if x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So this is the equation of a circle when the center is at the origin. Example, find the equation of the circle whose radius is 3 units with center at the origin. So simply we take the equation x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And since the length of the radius is already given, so plug it in on r, that will be x squared plus y squared is equal to 3 squared. So therefore, that the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 9. So this is now the equation of a circle. Okay, let's have another example. Find the equation of the circle whose center is at the origin and passes through -3, -4. So here, the length of the radius is not given, but it passes at point -3, -4. So since the center is at 0, 0, and the length of the radius is unknown. So here, we can use that distance formula to find the length of r. So that is, the distance formula is x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So we already plugged in the values. So x sub 2 is 0. Let's take this as x sub 2 and -3 as x sub 1. So that is 0 minus the quantity of -3 squared plus, so, and we have taken 0 as y sub 2 also since it is at the origin. So 0 minus -4 squared. Then simplify. X squared plus y squared is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. Then simplify. X squared plus y squared equals 3 squared is 9 and 4 squared is equal to 16. Then add 9 and 16 gives us 25. So therefore, the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared equals 25. Okay, this time, the center of the circle has changed. Okay, if the center of the circle is on the plane, not at the origin, the equation of the circle must be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. When the equation of a circle is written in this form, then it is written in standard form or center radius form. Since the center of the circle is the point hk and passes with any point on the circle. Okay? Let's have an example for this. What is the equation of the circle whose center is at -2, +2, and passes through 1, -2? Then plug in all the values on the equation of the circle. So that is quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. For the length of r, we have to use the distance formula. So, the center is at -2 and +2. So, that is quantity x minus -2 squared plus quantity y minus 2 squared is equal to 1 minus 2 squared plus -2 minus 2 squared. Then simplify, that is x plus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 1 minus -2 is +3, then rewrite squared, plus -2 minus 2 is -4 squared. Simplify this, that is 3 squared is 9, -4 squared is 16. So therefore that the equation of the circle is x plus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25. So this is now the equation of the circle in standard form. Likewise, the general form of the equation of a circle comes from expanding the standard form of the equation of the circle. Thus, its form is ax squared plus by squared plus dx minus ey plus f equals 0, where a equals b and a is not equal to 0, hence b is not equal to 0. Let's take the previous example. X plus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 25. Let us express this equation of the circle in general form. So it is said that we have to expand the standard form of the equation. So all you have to do is simplify this or expand everything to express the equation into general form. So expanding x plus 2 squared is x squared plus 4x plus 4, and expanding on y, we have y squared minus 4y plus 4 equals 25. Then, we simply combine like terms. So, rewrite x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 4y. Then, 4 plus 4 equals 8. And transpose 25 becomes -25. Then equate to 0. Okay, combine like terms. Rewrite everything except for those who are simplifiable. Say positive 8 minus 25 is negative 17 equals 0. So, the equation now is written in general form. So, the general form of the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 4y minus 17. Let's take this example. Find the equation of the circle in general form whose endpoints of the diameter are negative 3, positive 2, and 4, negative 1. Remember that these 2 points are the endpoints of the diameter. So we all know that the diameter is twice the length of the radius. So here, before we can find the equation of this circle, we have to find first the center. Using the midpoint formula, so midpoint formula is equal to, or midpoint is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 divided by 2. And for the y, we have y sub 1 plus y sub 2 divided by 2. So, x sub 1 is negative 3 and x sub 2 is positive 4. So, that is negative 3 plus 4 divided by 2. And for y sub 2, this one, plus negative 1. So, that is 2 minus 1. Simplify. Negative 3 plus 4 is 1 over 2. And for the y, 2 minus 1 is 1 over 2. So, therefore, that the midpoint of these 2 points is 1/2 and 1/2. So, therefore, that the center of the circle is 1/2, 1/2. And take one of the points. So, that is negative. Let's take negative 3 and 2 to use to find the equation of the circle. First, find the equation of the circle in standard form. Then substitute, that is quantity x minus 1/2 squared plus y minus 1/2 squared equals. So once again, using the distance formula for the radius, so negative 3 minus 1/2 squared plus 2 minus 1/2 squared. Then simplify. So expand na natin ito. That is x squared minus x plus 1/4 plus y squared minus y plus 1/4 equals negative 3 minus 1/2 is equal to negative 7 over 2 squared plus 2 minus 1/2 is 3 over 2 squared. Then, simplify further. That is x squared minus x plus 1/4 plus y squared minus y plus 1/4 equals, so add natin, o simplify muna natin ito, negative 7 over 2 is 49 over 4, while 3 over 2 is 9 over 4. Then combine like terms, so 49 plus 9 is equal to 58 over 4. Then, sa kabila naman, 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 2 over 4. Then, transpose natin yan to the left side. No, 58 over 4 transpose to the left side will become negative 58 over 4. Then, equate to 0. But, 2 over 4 minus 58 over 4 gives us 56 over 4. So that is x squared minus x plus y squared minus y minus 56 over 4 equals 0. But 56 over 4 is equal to 14. So, the equation now of the circle in general form is x squared minus x plus y squared minus y minus 14 equals 0. We can rewrite that now. So this is now the equation of the circle. But we can rewrite this as x squared plus y squared minus x minus y minus 14 equals 0. Okay, that's all for today. Good luck and have a nice day. But before we will go, let me read this to you. According to Mark Twain, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Thank you and good day.